Winter can be tough. Those short, dreary days can really bring down the mood in your home. But what if you could turn your space into a bright, cozy sanctuary that lifts your spirits and helps you embrace the season? Today, we're diving into how natural light and the cozy concept of Hygge can transform your winter home into a warm retreat. From simple tips to maximizing light even on the gloomiest days, to making your space feel like a comforting hug, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned till the end to discover how to create a space that not only looks amazing, but makes you feel amazing too. Winter can feel incredibly dark, especially when the days grow shorter and the sunlight becomes scarce. This can leave your home feeling cold and uninspiring. But one of the most effective ways to combat the winter blues is by harnessing the power of natural light. It's not just about creating a bright space. It's about how light impacts your energy levels, your mood, and your overall well-being. Natural light plays a significant role in regulating our circadian rhythm, which in turn helps us feel more energized and focused during the day. Moreover, exposure to sunlight boosts serotonin, the hormone responsible for improving mood and promoting a sense of well-being. In winter, when many of us struggle with feelings of fatigue or sadness, maximizing natural light becomes a powerful tool in lifting our spirits and creating a more vibrant atmosphere inside our homes. Imagine waking up in the morning to the soft glow of sunlight pouring into your living room. It can make a huge difference in how you feel as you start your day. Maximizing natural light doesn't require clear skies or bright sunshine. Cloudy days can work just as well. Even on overcast days, you can make the most of the available light by strategically arranging your furniture near windows. Positioning your couch or favorite chair by a large window, for example, lets you soak in any natural light that enters, no matter how faint. It's also important to ensure that your windows are clean, as dirt and dust can block sunlight from entering your home. Using light-colored walls, reflective surfaces, and even light-colored furniture can help bounce sunlight around the room, creating a brighter and more airy feel. Sheer curtains are another great option. They allow sunlight to filter in without completely blocking it. This approach creates a soft, diffused glow that can transform the entire ambiance of the space, making it feel more welcoming and peaceful. A quick but highly effective trick to increase natural light is by incorporating mirrors into your design. Mirrors are powerful tools that reflect light, making a room feel more expansive and brighter. If you place a mirror directly opposite a window or near a light source, it will reflect the light and amplify it, spreading it throughout the room. This is especially useful in darker corners or smaller rooms that don't get much natural light. The reflected light can transform those spaces, making them feel much larger and more open. Even in rooms where you have limited windows, this simple technique can create a dramatic effect and help to maximize every bit of natural light that's available. Now that we've talked about how natural light can brighten your home, it's time to focus on creating a truly cozy, inviting atmosphere. Enter Hygge, a Danish concept that's all about comfort, warmth, and contentment. Hygge is the art of making your space feel like a sanctuary, where you can relax, unwind, and truly enjoy the present moment. It's about creating an environment that feels warm and comforting, a perfect escape from the cold, dark winter days. To incorporate Hygge into your home, start by focusing on your lighting. In addition to natural light, you can use soft, warm lighting from candles, lamps, and fairy lights. This type of lighting adds an immediate sense of coziness, making your space feel intimate and peaceful. Dimmer switches, warm-toned light bulbs, and string lights are all great ways to create a calm, welcoming atmosphere that promotes relaxation and comfort. But it's not just about the lighting. It's about layering textures and incorporating elements that bring warmth to your home. Consider adding soft throws, plush pillows, and cozy rugs to your furniture and floors. These tactile elements invite you to snuggle up and make the space feel more inviting. Fabrics like wool, fleece, and knitted materials are perfect for adding warmth and texture, making every piece in your space feel like a soft, comforting hug. Layering these textiles on couches, chairs, or even in your bedroom can turn your home into a haven where you'll want to spend hours curled up with a good book or a cup of tea. Adding wooden elements, like a beautiful wooden coffee table or a set of natural wood shelves, can further enhance the Hygge vibe. Natural materials not only add beauty to your home, but they also create a grounded, serene atmosphere that makes the space feel connected to nature. Plants are another essential aspect of Hygge. Incorporating greenery into your home not only adds color and life, but also connects your space to the outdoors. Even during the winter months, a few well-placed plants can bring a sense of freshness and vitality into your home. Consider adding a few easy-to-care-for indoor plants, like succulents or ferns, to your living room or kitchen. Not only will they help purify the air, but they also add a calming, organic touch to your space that enhances the Hygge feeling. Bringing nature into your home, whether through plants, wooden furniture, or natural textiles, is all about creating an environment that feels warm, grounded, and peaceful. Just what you need to make it through those long winter days. When it comes to creating a truly cozy winter home, lighting and decor are key elements that can transform the feel of any room. Soft lighting, in particular, plays a crucial role in evoking a sense of comfort and relaxation. While natural light is important, in the evenings, it's all about creating a warm, inviting glow that makes you feel at ease after a long, cold day. Candles are an absolute must for bringing that intimate, Hygge-inspired ambiance into your space. Whether you go for large pillar candles, tea lights, or even scented candles, the soft flicker of candlelight instantly makes any room feel cozier. Consider placing candles in various corners of your living room or grouping them together on your dining table for a beautiful, calming effect. Scented candles can add another layer of coziness by filling the air with comforting fragrances like cinnamon, vanilla, or pine, which are perfect for winter. Fairy lights are another fantastic way to enhance the cozy atmosphere. These tiny, twinkling lights bring a magical touch to your space, and you can use them in so many ways. String them along your mantelpiece, around your windows, or even drape them over shelves to create a warm, dreamy effect. The soft glow they emit is perfect for creating a relaxed, peaceful setting that invites you to unwind and enjoy the slower pace of winter. These tiny details may seem subtle, but they play a huge role in setting the right mood and making your space feel more inviting. Layering textiles is another simple yet effective way to create a cozy vibe in your home. In winter, it's essential to add warmth and comfort to your space, and the best way to do that is by using soft, plush materials. Layering blankets, throws, and pillows on your couches and chairs not only adds comfort, but also creates a sense of warmth that invites you to sit down, relax, and stay a while. Choose fabrics like wool, fleece, or chunky knit materials to really amplify that cozy, Hygge feel. You can also add a soft area rug to your floors, which not only provides warmth, but also helps tie the room together. When you combine these textiles with soft lighting, the room transforms into a welcoming sanctuary where you can truly unwind and escape from the chill of winter. For those of us on a budget, don't worry. Creating a Hygge-inspired space doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of affordable ways to make your home feel warm and cozy. Look for inexpensive candles, string lights, and throw blankets at budget-friendly stores or even thrift shops. You don't need to spend a lot of money to make your space feel cozy and welcoming. It's all about the little details. With just a few thoughtful touches, you can create a space that feels both luxurious and comfortable without overspending. One of the most effective ways to elevate your winter home is by bringing a touch of the outdoors inside. While winter can often leave us feeling disconnected from nature, introducing natural elements into your space can help bridge that gap and create a refreshing, peaceful atmosphere. The most immediate way to do this is by adding greenery to your home. Plants are a simple yet powerful addition that can brighten up any room, especially during the colder months when outdoor greenery is scarce. Whether it's a large leafy plant like a fiddle leaf fig, or a smaller potted plant such as succulents or herbs, the presence of plants adds a natural vibrancy that lifts the mood and purifies the air. Place plants near windows where they can get plenty of indirect light, or hang them from the ceiling for a more dynamic look. Not only do they bring life to your home, but they also help improve your environment by boosting humidity levels and filtering out toxins, making the air feel fresher and cleaner. Creating a cozy reading nook is another way to bring nature indoors, while also providing a tranquil spot where you can retreat and relax. A reading nook with natural light, comfortable seating, and a few plants can become your favorite winter hideaway. Position a comfy armchair or a small love seat next to a large window to take advantage of the daylight, and layer it with warm throws and pillows to create the ultimate cozy spot. Add a small side table for your hot tea or coffee, and place a few books within reach. This inviting corner not only offers a perfect place to unwind with a good book, but it also connects you to the outdoors by letting in the natural light and fresh air. You can even bring in outdoor-inspired decor, such as a wool throw, woven baskets, or ceramic planters, to enhance the nature-inspired vibe of the space. It's also essential to make the most of fresh air during the winter months. Even though it's cold outside, try opening your windows for a few minutes each day to allow fresh air to circulate throughout your home. This small action can help rejuvenate your space, improve air quality, and make your environment feel more lively. Fresh air can also have a positive impact on your mood and energy levels, reducing feelings of stuffiness or being trapped indoors. Whether you take a few minutes to breathe in the crisp outdoor air or simply enjoy the view from your windows, bringing in elements of the outdoors helps create a balanced, refreshing space that feels grounded and connected to nature. In the heart of winter, it's essential to have a space in your home that acts as a true sanctuary, a place where you can relax, recharge, and escape the chaos of daily life. This personal sanctuary should be a reflection of peace and tranquility, and it's all about designing a space that promotes relaxation and calm. The key to creating this atmosphere is to embrace natural light. In the mornings, let the sunlight pour in through your windows to kickstart your day with positivity and energy. Even during cloudy days, take advantage of whatever light comes through by arranging your space to catch those rays, whether it's a comfy armchair by the window or a reading nook bathed in soft daylight. When the sun sets, use soft, warm lighting to maintain the calming ambiance. Avoid harsh, bright lights that can be jarring. Instead, use lamps, candles, and fairy lights to keep the mood peaceful and inviting. To enhance the feeling of calm, consider incorporating Hygge principles into your daily routines. Hygge isn't just about decor. It's a way of living that encourages mindfulness and contentment. Create small rituals in your home that promote relaxation, such as lighting a candle while you read, sipping on hot tea, or wrapping yourself in a soft blanket to enjoy some quiet time. It's about savoring the little moments and making your space a haven that supports your mental and emotional well-being. This can also mean choosing furniture that encourages comfort, such as a deep sofa, a cozy armchair, or a bed with layers of soft blankets and pillows that make you feel cradled and secure. In this sanctuary, you'll also want to focus on the things that make you feel at ease and bring you joy. Personal touches like family photos, meaningful artwork, or treasured objects can help make your space feel uniquely yours. Surround yourself with things that not only serve a functional purpose, but also spark happiness or a sense of nostalgia. Integrating these elements into your space helps foster a deeper connection with your environment, making it not just a place to live, but a place that nurtures your soul. By making small adjustments to the lighting, decor, and atmosphere, you can create a winter sanctuary that supports your well-being and encourages you to slow down and enjoy the season. Whether it's through mindful design choices or simple daily habits, your home can become a peaceful retreat where you feel grounded, relaxed, and content throughout the colder months.